Hi everybody, Michaela Festa here again. I am doing a recording to keep you guys updated. Today is my first day of chemo and I will be getting a small dose. So it's nothing too crazy, but still kind of scary because it's my first one. So the idea behind doing the chemo is to let the stem cells know that they need to start working to get out of my body. So I guess I feel like it's kind of like a scare tactic to get them out. But yeah. And then I took notes this time so I wasn't so all over the place. I have steroids. They've been given to me through IV, which unfortunately had to be put in through here because my veins are babies and they didn't like them. They thought they would like rupture them, trying to go through different ways, and they didn't want to do it in my hand because the chemo would be too harsh on my hand. And anyway, so yeah, that's where it's at. So the steroids were given to me because of an active lesion that I have in my brain, and they're trying to slow that down. And we're thinking that, like in my last video, I was talking about my left hand moving a little bit slower. We're thinking that's what that lesion is doing. So we're trying to slow that down while trying to get rid of everything. So they are planning for me to be discharged by like 2 or 3 tomorrow, but we'll see depending on how everything goes. Upside is they have some really good food here. I had chicken pot pie, banana pudding parfait, and 2 cans of Coke. They're little baby cans, so, but it was really good and fresh and made to order and all of that stuff, which is good. I will come back this upcoming Monday for labs, and then I have to go really early in the morning because they kind of want me to avoid basically anybody, because that's when I'll be super, what's the word? Vulnerable. Thank you. Jeremy's in the background. Super vulnerable to other people's diseases and germs and all that stuff. So I'm going to come in here really early so they can get my labs to update me for everything, and make sure that everything's looking good. And then we won't have to come back until the 31st, and that's when the stem cells will be harvested. When we were here last week, we got to see a machine, and it honestly sounded just like a washing machine. It was like a centrifuge, or I don't know. So the stem cells go in, it spins, spits the stem cells out, and then puts the blood back in. I don't know, it's a lot of thinking that I don't really want to do, so I'll leave it up to the doctors. That's why they are the professionals. And in the process of doing that, they want to get about 2 million cells, which I didn't even know that was like possible, but I don't know, they know what they're doing. So within 5 minutes I'll be getting my first dose of chemo. So yeah, I don't know how I'll be feeling and stuff, but I would like to keep you guys updated through video. But if not, either I or Jeremy will be posting on the Facebook page. And if you haven't liked it yet, please do. What's the name of it? Stem cell transplant for multiple sclerosis. Hashtag Michaela Strong. That's the page. I think that's it, because I got 5 minutes to prep, so thanks guys, love you all.